Hey guys, today it's just gonna be me, and I'm gonna open a 2021 Chronicles NASCAR box. It's a blaster box, and I have the scissors. I'm gonna cut open the wrapper. Scissors go bye-bye, and I open box. The packs, beautiful. Okay, that pack goes to the back. Okay, there we go. So, first pack of the video. Oopsie. William Byron, Kyle Larson, my favorite driver, let's go. And a silver Denny Hamlin. Bubba Wallace Crusade. And gold standard Carl Edwards. Not a bad first pack. Pack numero dos. Limited Brad Keselowski. Base Kevin Harvick. Phoenix Joey Logano. Oopsies. Tony Stewart Obsidian. Gotta fix the stack. What? Myatt Snyder, rookie. XR. And, okay. Pack number 3 out of 5. Open sesame. Score Alex Lay, whatever, rookie. Absolute rookie Jesse Love. Select Ryan Blaney, won the Daytona, go 0. And I think that's a silver. Let me check. Yes, it is. Austin Cindric, Crusade. A green Dale Earnhardt Jr. What even is it? Zenith. Okay. Next pack. There's a thick boy in here. So that last pack might be a filler. Unless I, for some reason, somehow get 2. Okay. Dick Boy goes to the back. Eric Amarola Titan. Alex Bowman Green Crusade. And Joey Logano Black, another green. And then Natalie Decker, rookie. And, oh, wait, this isn't memorabilia or auto. Tony Stewart Spectra. It's numbered out of 99. That's a really good card. Okay. Last pack. Oh my gosh. Can't even open it. Okay, there we go. It's the second card. Move it to back. Okay. Crusade. Jesse Love. Rookie. Select Denny Hamlin green. Pedal to the Metal Austin Dillon. I don't know what type that is. Chase Elliott, Pinnacle, whatever. And then Ty Gibbs, patch. And that's it for the opening.
No.
What? And what do we have left? Okay, I'm gonna do a recap of all the good cards. The Ty Gibbs, the patch we got at the end. Okay, what else? I think the Denny Hamlin green wasn't too bad. And Tony Stewart Spectra out of 99, really good pool.
It's really fat.
Yeah, because it's Spectra.
Spectra. Try Lagano. Lagano.
The Logano Black,
Lagano.
I think wasn't too bad of a card. And the Zenith Dale Earnhardt might have been good. I don't really open too much NASCAR.
Zenith.
Zenith. Okay. Hurry up.
Hurry up. Those mans need some milk.
You guys, no, thank you.
Phoenix.
No,
What?
because no.
You better show that guy.
No.
What?
Okay. Yes.
Oh.
The silver contenders in
Is
Hamlin.
that
I don't even know if that was
absolute?
really good
Yeah,
or
that's
not.
absolute.
And it's the
That's
best card in the box. The Kyle Larson, absolutely. He's the best driver in NASCAR, obviously. That's it.
I think that should go
That's it. That's it.
Okay, so
I say it.
we
It's
still
in my
have
video.
5 more minutes left.
No.
Yeah.
Get out. Get out.
No.
It's a
We
me
have
video.
5 more minutes.
Okay.
We
so,
gotta open
So
another
no, we don't.
Yes.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
Okay. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time we post another video.
Subscribe to our Instagram.
Cards or not. And then what else? Like the video. I already said that, didn't I? Yeah, the video's basically done. You can leave now. Bye.
No, don't.
No.
Still got another box.
No, we don't.
Okay, fine, just leave.
Bye.
Don't leave.